You want to do this one? Just be careful, don't. It's already running. They're the falls.
This is the second fall beside of the big fall. We really had and there's falls in the top.
Wonder what's up there. You want to go up there?
There. Huh. That's okay. I just see it. I don't know what is that.
Yeah, I'll go up there.
You can
Let me
bring.
take the camera and go up there. Let's go climb up, see what in the world this is. I don't know where this goes. Yeah, I'm not quite sure here. Oh, I'm gonna guess there's falls up here. Look. Look at that. Wow. Well, it looks like I got more steps here. Hope there ain't no snakes up here. You know how I am with snakes. It is really hot. Okay, it's just a little area up here. Thank God I don't feel like walking anymore. Whew. I'm sure you can probably walk up there and go to the big falls. Here's a picture of the resort from up top. There's a little bit of paradise up here. This water looks cleaner. The big falls looks like it's all that sulfur water. Not sure why they run all these pipes up here. If they get water for down. Looks like it's going into the side of the mountain there. Like it's some kind of spring. Sure seems like a lot of pipes. Okay, I'm going to try to get back down here without falling on my butt and causing a scene. I'll say, look at the white man causing trouble again. At least they got handrail, thank God. I hope if you come over here you don't have an ant phobia, because I'm always getting ants on them. They're everywhere. I remember they said they estimate there's 10 quadrillion ants in the world. I know that's a big number, but I venture to say there's more than that. Alright, got a little hut here. Looks like you can eat. Looks like they have weddings here or something. They have real fancy dishware set out. Okay. There she is, standing in the shade. There they are, getting ready to climb the mountain.
No, I'm not climbing.
Yeah, climb the mountain.
Maybe next time we come back, we'll bring you.
Okay, enough of this. I'm going to shut this off.